The crypto market is literally going crazy. I have to show you this. So Bitcoin now is getting really close. It's attempted many times today to break outside of this pattern that we have been talking about. But we did actually, as you watch my previous video, we did get that perfect bounce up to this resistance level. And we have attempted to actually break down to come all the way down this to the support level. But Bitcoin has been holding up strong, unsurprisingly. Now, personally, what I think it is the stock market is recovering strong as well. We're seeing the SPY, we're seeing the NASDAQ, we're seeing the Dow Jones. Today has been a very strong recovery day for the whole economy. And there is a lot of speculation that Wednesday's Fed meeting with Jerome Powell, where they're going to be discussing the balance sheet and also interest rates, is going to actually have a bullish effect on the market. So a lot of traders are anticipating some very bullish price action for cryptocurrencies. Ethereum has been breaking out. Cryptos have literally been pumping and crashing all day today. The last couple of days, there's been a lot of crazy volatility, a lot of crazy momentum. And Ethereum, look at this, guys. Ethereum has recovered just in the last couple of hours, almost 7%. That's a very significant recovery. And we are seeing some bullish continuation patterns inside of this. We are seeing higher highs and higher lows. Ethereum on the 1 hour to the 4 hour time frame is actually bullish. We are far above the 21-day moving average. And Bitcoin is, of course, moving a bit slow. But if we actually zoom into the price action where Bitcoin is in this descending triangle pattern, which is, of course, a very bullish pattern, Bitcoin actually is poised right now and is setting up potentially to try to make a break outside of this pattern for the first time, which if that were to happen, especially in a bullish manner, we could see a very big breakout. Now, what we'd want to do is we just want to measure the width of this pattern, and that would show us that Bitcoin could be potentially reaching our price target of about $43,000 to $44,000. But Bitcoin has to break $43,000, of course, to get above that level. $43,000 is a very key level of resistance, which I think can easily be broken, especially with the momentum and the volatility that is in the current market right now. Until then, Bitcoin is still boxed inside of this pattern. And Bitcoin is attempting to break out. It is attempting to break out. We are looking bullish inside of the pattern. We've come up to the resistance. We've come down just a little bit, but we are coming up to retest it. So literally in the next couple of days, we could see Bitcoin having a substantial breakout. Now, if you love these types of videos, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and sharing this video with a friend or family member. But letting me know in the comments below if you hold Bitcoin. Do you invest in crypto? Do you invest in Bitcoin? Do you invest in Ethereum? Let me know what you think in the comments below. But personally, to keep it completely realistic, the next couple of days, I think Bitcoin by Wednesday, we could see a breakout above $40,000, potentially above 41, and then we are most likely going to be testing $43,000. That could be the potential top for May. If Bitcoin were to make this move, that could be the potential top, and then Bitcoin would basically come back down and still be bearish because we are in a bear market. Bitcoin has been going down since March, but I think we are overdue for a breakout. We are certainly oversold. We are being compressed in this very tight little range. Look at this. Cryptocurrencies are usually moving up and down quite freely, but now we are being completely compressed in this small little box. And as a result of that, we see all the time big breakouts happening left and right when that happens. Personally, I am optimistic. I am bullish. But, just looking at the technicals, understanding all the fear and the FUD out there everywhere, we may continue a downtrend. Bitcoin, as a lot of experts are calling out, I'm not necessarily calling it out. If Bitcoin does break out to the upside, I think this would certainly change a lot of people's minds, which I think is a strong possibility. But if Bitcoin does end up coming down to test the support level, we start to test it and break out to the downside, Bitcoin could be seeing some very big corrections of 34,000, 32,000, 28,000. We could be seeing some very big corrections. And honestly, I would be happy with that because the richest people are made in the bear markets. Wealth is made in bear markets. Buying dips when Bitcoin goes to 30,000 or 28,000, when it's literally at a massive discount, is an incredible opportunity to make a lot of money. Now, in my Patreon, I give you guys my buy and sell alerts. You can get access to my trading course where I teach you technical analysis and much more. I highly recommend checking it out at MYLESGinvestments.com or in my top pinned comment or my video description where I have all of these links which you could check out. Now, thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all later. Have a great night.